Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Manic About TCG. Today we have a mystery box. What's inside the mystery box, you ask? Well, here's the box. I wonder what could be in it. It's magic, I'll tell you that much. So, stay tuned. Alright, here we go, everybody. It's, mystery box. What's inside? Let's have a look. Mystery booster box. Hey, how do you like that play? So let's get this box out of the way. We'll get into the booster box that's full of mysteries. It opened several of these. For some reason, camera wasn't rolling. Just I don't know. I guess I was having fun.
That was back.
Back in the just before. So I have found. I've been holding on to this one forever. I got it from Bastion Games way back when you could, but I've found more since. So I thought, you know what? I'll open it and buy another one. Which I haven't done, so hopefully it's still at the store that I found it at, but nonetheless, this should be quite the ride. Mystery boosters are insane. There is a ton of value. A ton of value. Mana Crypt, $200. Demonic Tutor, $70. And so on and so forth. Again, that's face-to-face games pricing, because I live in Canada. So here we go. It's gonna be quite the ride. Champion of Irration. I guess I can't really. I'll show each card, but there's so many. There's like 1,900 cards if you were to try to complete the set. Wargate is our first rare. Cursor of Krufix. Not bad. Not bad. And a Balefire Liege foil rare. Holy crow. Right off the bat, we got a foil rare. This is by far one of my favorite products. I honestly, I love it. I have attempted to complete the set, and it's quite the daunting task. It's 4 binders. So, I love it. I guess we'll just show a few packs like this, and then I'll quickly go through. Creeping Mold. Alloy Mirror, Gitu, Warcry, which is an uncommon, and a Crone Horse, and another foil rare, Yortiller, Nephilium. Okay. Files are gonna be stacking up. Oh, right, I wonder, Demonic Tutor, I think, is... Ooh, it can come. That's right, it's not at the back. Sakashima the Imposter. There we go. There's a hit. Vigor. And a foil. Changeling Hero. Uncommon. Yeah, this is quite the set. So much going on. It's been out for a year and a half, I believe. Maybe a little longer. But Triumph of the Hordes, very nice. That's got value. Queen Marquesa, that's got a little bit of value. And a Teferi's Puzzle Box, foil rare. Wow, when this set came out, that was like a $15, $20 card. I think it's down to like $4 now. But we are getting hits after hit after hit. So this is quite the... It brings back to like when I was opening it more. You forget so quickly. There's so much Cargon, Dragon Lord. There's so much Liliana's Death Majesty, Planeswalker, Liliana. There we go. And Sakura Tribe Scout foil. That's got it's value. We're just pulling tons of value here. Yeah, there's so many sets they come up with. It's like you forget what you opened 3 months ago. It's crazy. Okay. Crystal Chimes. Phantasmal Dragon. Prey Caesar Dragon with a big ding in it. What? Brutal. And Panglacial Worm. Another foil rare. Okay, we rolling on the new one? We are. Okay. We will continue right along. There's 24 booster packs in this box. It was not original, or like a full size, regular size, I should say. Approach of the Second Sun. That was Hakon Stromgloud Scourge. The Spelltide Enforcer, another foil rare. That's one thing I forgot. You can get a bunch of foil rares. There is a lot in the set. A set of 1,900 cards. Why wouldn't it be, right? It's a whole bunch of sets all put into one. They're not. It's not like a new set. I'm sure everyone knows that. Battle Bond, Ixalan, Eternal Masters, Dragons of Tarkir, BFZ, Knight of Dawn, Kolaghan's Command, and a Flamekin the Harbinger. Oh, Flamekin Harbinger. Hey. Path to Exile. There we go. That's a good card. Can we get anything special? Greater Gargadon, Torment of Hailfire. Not bad, not bad. Patron of the Moon. Alright, come on. We want the Mana Crypt. I've pulled one. But yeah. There's a bunch of really good, expensive cards. There's one. Carpet of Flowers. Bingo, Bango, Bongo. Gravecrawler. Not bad. Goblin Bushwhacker. Carpet of Flowers is really good. Right on! We got a good one. Ephemerate. Right. White. Oh. Weight of Precinct 6. White. Shambling Remains. Thornwood Falls. Thieving Magpie. Spawning Grounds. And a Riki, The History of Kamigawa foil. Okay, let's get the crypt. River Boa, Nissa, Voice of Zendikar. That's 2 planeswalkers. Woo! 1 box. Let's go. Sword to Plowshares, not bad. No one really cares probably, but whatever. Angelic Destiny, Mythic Rare from M12. Adorned Pouncer, nice. I play this in my cat deck on Arena. And Burning Inquiry from M10. Yeah. Priest of Titania. I think that's got a couple buck value. Sapphire Charm from Mirage. There we go. All is Dust. Nice. Sick. And Aurelia's Fury. It's a mythic foil. Cool. Okay, we are winding her down. We got 6, 7, 8 packs maybe. Let's get the crypt. I've opened like 10 boxes and only pulled 1, so I'm due. Cauldron of Souls. And an Archetype of Endurance. I'm sure I'm messing all this up, I think. Those are the older style. Fortify, Brainstorm. Saltate Charm. Short Sword. Oracle of Nectars. Release the Gremlins. And a Hornet Sting. Okay. It'll just pop out of nowhere. Ooh, I thought that was it. Diabolic Addict. Fusion Elemental. Thran Golem. Martyr's Cause. Solemn Simulacrum. And Foil Alchemist's Refuge. Okay, well, we are down now. We're down to 2, 4, 6, Yeah, down to 6 packs. Okay. Yargle. There we go. That's a cool card. What can we get? Bone Splitter. Living Death. And a Reaper King foil. Right on. Holy, our pile's getting massive. Let's move this pile out of the way. Okay. We've got some good cards, but nothing insane. Can we get something insane? Please, please, Magic Gods. Desolation Twin. And Eidolon of Rhetoric. Oh, I'm kind of speechless opening this. This like makes me so nervous. Dismember, not bad. That's got some value. Carvex Torch. Two-Headed Giant. And Fate Spinner foil rare. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Help me get to 1,000. Thanks to all the current subscribers. The new ones that have just shown up. Soren Markov, 3 Planeswalkers.
Ooh.
3 Planeswalkers, Felder Sovereign.
Wow.
Oh, I should put that in my cat deck. Crazy.
It's a pretty nice mystery box.
Yeah, that's quite the quite the box.
It was all meant to be waiting to open that one.
Planeswalker box. Black Knight. Michaelith, and a Lightning Storm. Okay. 2 packs to go. Let's get some fire up in here. Bastion Games is link and everything to their Facebook page and their store will be in the description. Make sure you guys check that out. Juicy Apprentice. Huh. And Chaos Warp. And an Allosaurus Rider. Alright. Is this the pack that's got it's got some marks all over it from the rollers that
Again?
send it down. Well, the packs are just covered in it. Yeah.
Yeah.
15 card booster pack. Here we go. Mana Crypt, please. Last pack magic. Let's do this. Phantom Centaur, Night Howler. Night Howler and a Stigma Lasher. Wow, I've had that box for so long too. Oh gosh. Alrighty. Well, that's the video. It's the way it goes. You don't get the bangers all the time. There is some good cards in there. Carpet of Flowers, just right off the top of my head. But yeah, thanks for tuning in, everybody. Until next time, peace.